Okay, so this is the question. If the circumference of a circle triples, then the area of the circle becomes, so you have the following choices that are being given. You can go through these choices, work the question out and zero in the correct choice. So when we come back, let's see how to get the correct choice. So the circumference of a circle triples. So the meaning is R is now 3 times R. So therefore the area pi r squared is going to be pi times of 3r raised to the power of 2, which is going to be pi times of 9r squared, which can be rewritten as 9 times of pi r squared or 9 of pi r squared. So that means the area of the circle is now 9 times its original area. Okay, so the correct choice is 9 times bigger, right? So if you got this as your correct choice, you score. So let's move on to the next question.